Assalamualaikum and hi. We are from 2422B. We want to present to you about the impact of the improvement in the current payment system to the economy. I want to introduce to you guys about our group member, Muhammad ASWAR bin ASWADI. Next, we have Muhammad FIRDAUS bin AZMAN, Muhammad Hanif bin Radziff, Muhammad KHALID bin KHALIL. Last but not least, Muhammad RAIZDANIAL bin Muhammad RAZALI.
Payment system is a network or set of procedures used to transfer money or financial value from one person or entity to another. This can include electronic systems such as credit card networks, as well as traditional methods such as cash and checks. Payment system may also include the infrastructure and institutions needed to support these transactions, such as banks and clearinghouses. It is an essential part of the financial system as it enables the smooth and efficient flow of funds in the economy. Payment systems are used for a wide range of transactions, from small, everyday purchases to large business deals. They play a critical role in facilitating commerce and economic activity by enabling the exchange of goods and services. The evolution of payment systems has been driven by technological advancements, changes in consumer behavior, and the emergence of new business models. Today, the payment system is more diverse and flexible than ever, with a wide range of options available to consumers and businesses. The evolution of payment systems has been shaped by technological advancements and changes in consumer behavior. Historically, payment systems were primarily based on cash and checks. The introduction of credit cards in the 1950s and 1970s marked a shift towards electronic payments. The widespread adoption of the internet in the 1990s and 2000s further accelerated the growth of electronic payments, leading to the development of new payment methods such as online banking, e-wallets, and digital currencies. In recent years, there has been a shift towards mobile payment and contactless payments, driven by the increasing use of smartphones and the implementation of near-field communication (NFC) technology. In parallel, the development of blockchain technology has led to the emergence of digital currencies such as Bitcoin, which are decentralized and operate without the need for a central authority. Moreover, the emergence of open banking has also enabled third-party providers to offer new payment services using bank account information, leading to an increased number of fintech companies and services. All these developments are giving consumers more options and greater convenience in how they pay for goods and services, and the evolution of payment systems is likely to continue in the future. The evolution of payment system has also been shaped by various innovations in the payment ecosystem, such as automated clearinghouse (ACH), real-time payment (RTP), mobile payment, and virtual payment. This has enabled faster, more secure, and more efficient payment transactions. Overall, the payment system has undergone significant changes over time and is likely to continue to evolve in the near future as new technologies, consumer preferences, and business models range.
Assalamualaikum. Next is example of payment system. First of all, credit cards. The Diners Club card was first issued in 1950. Marking the beginning of modern cards. Next is bank transfer. The internet has made it simpler for clients to make bank transfer payments. Third is e-checks via the automated clearinghouse or ACH, a technique for direct deposit of wages. More than 90% of employees choose to receive their paychecks in this manner. Next, virtual payment cards. Only 4% of business opted to pay their suppliers using virtual cards for business or ghost card. And digital wallet. A digital wallet is a general word that refers to software that electronically keeps credit card numbers and debit card numbers. Next, mobile pay. The only difference between mobile pay and actual wallet is that it prevents users from carrying about cash. Last but not least, PSP or Payment Service Provider. The best course of action in this situation may be to outsource to a third-party payment service provider.
Moving for the impact on the evolution of payment system. First is new challenges in the digital age. Due to digitalization, payment mechanisms are changing. The payment ecosystem is changing due to digitalization. Smartphone, tablet, big data apps, and artificial intelligence typically initiate a change. These technologies provide new payment methods for end users. New payment methods bring new issues, including fraud. Fraud typically appear in new site or channel when bank and other institutions strive to halt it. Bank and other organizations have many fraud prevention systems, but in this multinational age, some may not function as well. Other impact is fast payment initiative. It's important to distinguish wholesale and retail payment. Wholesale payment are big, high priority transfer between financial organizations for their own account or consumer. Interbank settlement system handle this payment. Retail payment are smaller transactions between individuals, businesses, and government. Cash, check, credit, transfer, debit, and credit card transaction and other can be used. Settlement speed used to differ. Traditional retail payment were delayed and may be refunded within a set time frame. Since each could credit and debit account instantly, the interbank payment system was used for even minor payment. Some countries can make retail payment fast due to the advance in information and communication technologies. For the third impact is transformation of business toward digitalization. Moving toward digitalization has become a crucial part of how business do business. E-payment is used to make payment quickly and easily in applications like food delivery. Also, businesses use the internet to learn about marketing and sales technique. There are three important parts, which is using e-payment, having a lot of competition, and getting better at what you know. For the second last impact is establishment of complete data governance. Data governance safeguard data from manipulation. It's growing more critical as companies face new data privacy requirements and employ data analytics to improve operation and make business choice. Contacting and tracking client is the first issue. The payment interface has long been a customer touchpoint for well-known cashless payment providers, including banks. Big internet platform and online businesses can use payment data to sell personalized product to clients. As digitization progresses, client data grows in quantity and value. Established payment service companies must compete for client data and interface. In the digital age, a bank big branch network no longer afford them an edge over competitors. And for the last impact is a significant transformation to the bank. This move will immediately impact bank and other financial institution payment system. Banks that want to upgrade the system must consider real-time payment and information. Legacy system feature processing unit for each business unit. Banks are hurried to create fully integrated system that connect all business units and work across many channels, including online, mobile ATM, and in person, to meet modern payment needs. Different gadgets change transaction.
Now, move to the advantages current payment method. Firstly, increase in security. The current payment system has undergone a significant shift toward increased security. This is due to the technological advancement and the implementation of stricter financial institution regulation. It is much more difficult for criminals to access sensitive data or commit fraud with the introduction of new technology such as contactless payment, biometric authentication, and two-factor authentication. Furthermore, banks are now required by law to follow stringent standards for protecting customer data and preventing fraud. These safeguards have significantly reduced the likelihood of fraudulent activity occurring during the online or in-store transaction. Secondly, speed of transaction. This means that payment can be made quickly and securely without having to wait for a transfer to complete. When making an online purchase with credit card, for example, the funds are transferred almost instantly after the card details are entered and verified. This enables customers to receive their purchases on time and eliminates the need for them to wait for a long period of time before receiving their goods or services. Furthermore, some payment solutions provide more sophisticated features that allow users to check payments in real time, increasing transaction security and efficiency. Next, current payment system have the advantage of lower cost and convenience. One of the most significant benefit is that they reduce the cost associated with all method payment such as check, processing fee, merchant account fee, and other banking charges. This save money for business by eliminating the need to pay for costly traditional payment method such as check and bank transfer. Modern payment system also enable easy access to funds from anywhere in the world at any time. Customers are more satisfied because they can make payment quickly and easily without having to wait until a physical store to open or closes. Customers no longer need to carry a large amount of cash with them when they go shopping or make online purchases, as they can simply pay using their phone or card that is linked to their bank account directly via the internet. Lastly, multiple choice. These include cash, debit and credit card, mobile payment, contactless payment, online banking transfer, digital wallet such as Apple Pay or PayPal, and other methods. With so many options, customers can choose the most convenient method of payment for goods or services. This ensures that businesses are able to meet their customer needs and provide them with a positive shopping experience. People have preferences, and if they can find the option while purchasing from you, there are obviously more chances that they will complete the transaction with you.
Disadvantage of the current payment system. First, we have private information in the loss in digital transaction. Cash payment are more private than electronic one. It's possible that you have nothing to conceal and that you are trust the companies that handling your data. But the more information you have online, the more probability it is to fall into the wrong hands. You may spend cash and receive money in anonymous manners. Second, we have the cashless transaction are exposed to hacking risk. The bank robbers and the muggers of the digital realm are hacker. It is more vulnerable to hacker in a cashless environment because of what it does online. If a victim is targeted and their account is drained, they could not have any other option for making purchase. Even if it were protected by federal law, it would still be difficult to go back to where you were financially after a breach. Third, we have a technology issue may affect your ability to access funds. Other issue that the payment you from making purchase when you need to include glitch, outage, and unintentional error. In the same manner, when the system fails, businesses cannot receive a payment. The transaction could not be possible due to anything as simple as that phone battery. Fourth is the tendency to overspend might be get increased. We may feel that the financial impact of our purchases when we physically take a cash out from our pocket to pay for them. On the other side, it is simple to swipe, tap or click with electronic payment without understanding how much you want to spend, to prevent excessive spending from turning into overspending. Consumers may need to reconsider how they handle their money. The last but not least is difficult for those without online banking account. Some older users do not have any online banking system because they prefer to pay for goods in cash. This is very important because nowadays online payments are expanded by the government because technology is advanced and it makes it easier for recipients to receive money in cash. Older users do not know about the facilities nowadays such as online banking, QR code and so on.
A conclusion of the case that has been done, we conclude that improvement in current payment system to the economy has both good and bad impacts. This can be proven when the development of payment method technology can facilitate all financial transactions. However, it also increases the risk in terms of problem in the financial system itself.